Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and the trend of the market in each time frame analysis. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Before starting the analysis, let us look at today's economic calendar. Today is 4th February, Friday. As we scroll down, we are at 6 o'clock today and we have a high impacting news RBA statement on mandatory policy. Then we have lots of medium impact news for Euro. Then as we go down, we don't have any high impact news for British pound today. Then as we go down, for Canadian dollar at 7 o'clock in the evening, we have a unemployment rate which has a high impact. And we have medium impact news also for Canadian dollar. As we scroll down at 7 o'clock again, for US dollar also we have a high impact news, average hourly earning, MOM. So 7 o'clock will be very important for US dollar currency pairs. And at evening 8:30 we have a high impact news for Canadian dollar. So plan your trades accordingly. Let us start with the analysis. So I am in daily time frame now. When we analyze the daily time frame price action, there is not big changes in the daily time frame. Still the price action is trading within the symmetric triangle pattern. And within the symmetric triangle pattern, I have drawn the trend line or the support line. You can notice that price action every time when it touches this trend line, it bounces back. So I am expecting again next time also when the price action touches this trend line, we can expect it to bounce back. And overall when we look at the price action, it is trading above this trend line, which means the price action is in a bullish trend. If the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to retest on the resistance line from the symmetric triangle pattern in the future. Currently, the price action is trading between the support level of 1799 and resistance level of 1816. And within this, it is in a bullish trend. And overall, when we analyze the current price action, after testing this level, it has fallen down and it is in a sideways market or consolidation. And in the past also when we look at the price action, after falling, you can notice that it is in a consolidation or sideways market. So I am expecting this part of the price action to be repeated here, which means that it has gone up, tested this resistance level and bounced back. So we can expect it to go up, test this resistance level of 1816 and then bounce back, retest on this trend line from the daily time frame. So we can expect a little bit of consolidation to continue before it starts its bullish trend. So these are all the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I have drawn the trend line over here. The price has respected this trend line and has gone on a bullish trend, and here when we notice it, it has breached this trend line and also breached this support level of 1799, which means that even though the price action couldn't sustain at this level, we also get the indication that the price action may retrace to this level in the future also. And when we look at the price action on the top, the price is getting rejected every time it tests this level of 1810. Again, we are noticing the price action going on a bullish trend. We can expect it to retest on this resistance level between 1816 and 1810. Only when the price action breaches this resistance level and the channel pattern support level from the higher time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Until then, we can expect a sideways market to continue, and we have also seen the sign that the price action want to retrace to this trend line from the higher time frame. So we can expect the price action breach this trend line or the support line and also to breach this support level of 17.99 and go on a bearish side trades. But again, if the price action breaches these resistance levels, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. You can also notice that it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. The ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. We can soon expect a break on this trend line and bearish trend to start. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend, but the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. If the price action doesn't manage to breach this resistance area, we can expect a trend reversal in these currency pairs. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, it was respecting this trend line and it was in a very nice bullish trend. And at this point it tested the resistance level of 1810 and it had retraced. But when we notice the current price action, the bullishness is getting weaker and weaker. Soon we can expect a breach on this trend line and bearish trend to start. And previously also we have noticed that price action has breached this support level of 1799 and went on a bearish trend up to the level of 1788. So when the price action breaches this trend line, we can expect it to retrace to this level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. Wait for it to breach this support line or the trend line, then you can take trades on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was on a very nice downtrend and taking support on this trend line over here, and due to the news it broke this trend line or the support line, came up to the level of 1789, then suddenly it went on a bullish trend. Again the price action is taking support on this trend line and it is in a bullish trend because it is trading above this trend line. But when we notice the bullishness also, it did not break the previous high level of 1807 and it is moving on a sideways. So the bullish momentum is weaker and weaker in these currency pairs. Let me mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in white color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Let us wait and see which direction the price action goes today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.